Welcome back to my channel, Cozy Christopher here. Today we are looking at the 2023 version of the Echo Buds from Amazon. Now these are not a direct replacement of the last year's model, the Echo Buds 2. These are more of a budget option, right? And so this was $39.99. I pre-ordered these and they arrived earlier this week. Designed for Apple, but works with Android. It's 5 hours of playtime and I don't even need the knife. It's 5 hours of playtime and an extra 15 hours off the charge. But it's a very simple unboxing. Download the Amazon Alexa app, open case, and wait for the blue light. You have your manuals, your good manuals there ready for you. Oh, these are more tips. Okay. That's a weird bag for the, oh, okay. But there's only one extra pair in there. The case is nice. The case looks nice. So that's what it looks like there. Case here, you have a USB-C. But inside the case looks nice on the inside. That looks good. Push the button. Oh crap. I'm gonna push the button. I'm going to, yep, Echo Buds found. That was really quick. Like literally opened it. Echo Buds were found really quick. Agree and continue, because you can't use stuff without agreeing and continue when it comes to some of these apps. Next, it may take a few minutes to find your device. Continue. Found it really quickly. Echo Buds L5Q5. Found it almost immediately, like without any hesitation there. Let's see. Skip to next track is a double tap. Triple tap for a previous song. Long hold to ask the Amazon Assistant to speak up. Set up next feature. Calling is now set up. Okay, cool. Use enable your location so Amazon can provide accurate answers based on where you are. Location permission always required. See, that's the stuff that I don't like with these different applications. I'm going to leave it at well, I guess for this I'll turn it on to always. I'll turn it off later. But I don't like stuff like that where I'm forced to have to do always on in order to use something.
Hello, welcome to your Echo Buds. I have a few tips to share, like you can ask me for your battery level. You can ask me to stop at any time. Let's get started. You can count on me for reminders. I won't actually set one up this time, but to try it out, say, remind me to go for a walk at 5 p.m.
Remind me to go for a walk at 5 p.m.
Let's try again. Say, remind me to go for a walk at 5 p.m.
Remind me to go for a walk at 5 p.m.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Let's see, are the mics covered? No, the mics are not covered, so she should have heard me. Open Audible.
For Audible, just say, play Audible. Getting the selection from Chris's Audible library. Resuming in the afterlight.
Last reservations fell away, shattering.
Alright, that's not,
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it
so I'm listening to.
But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me.
We are now testing the sound on the 2023 Echo Buds from Amazon. Now, these are a budget-friendly wireless, true wireless earbud set around the $39 to $49 price range. This is the sound that you can expect when using these on a phone call, voice memos, and other things of the sort. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. It's interesting. I'm kind of at odds with them. They're very vocal forward. So if you listen to music that is high vocal, you know, I listen to Patti LaBelle, Aretha Franklin, Ain't No Way, Patti LaBelle, If Only You Knew. I listen to some, more modern music, some hip hop, and some more bass heavy music. Listen to Bryson Tiller, listen to some other stuff, and they fall apart around 85% volume. And what I mean by that, they get distorted, right? The mids and the lows become muddy, and the vocal presence kind of goes away. Now underneath 75, 80-ish, it's fine. It could be my ear shape. The shape of these won't sit all the way in my ear. It's unfortunate because the plastic or whatever that is around this feels really good. It's soft in the ear there. It won't go all the way in my ear, so it won't seal. And so maybe that's why it doesn't sound that good to me. I kept trying to like force it down and twist the angle, and I don't know if that means it's better with bass, but it creates a better seal and allows it to sound better from a listening standpoint. Things that I don't like, the touch controls are very, very linear, very, very simple. I mean, you got play, pause, forward, back, and hold for Amazon Assistant, but you can't control the volume, which means you can't go without the device. You have to be near the device in order to control your volume, which it's not a bad thing. It's just a user interface thing. Like, that's not the best user experience if I have to always have the device in my hand when there's true wireless earbuds. Lastly, it doesn't have the best EQ settings, right? You can't create custom EQs. You can change the bass, you can change the mid, and you can change the highs, but the software, which is Amazon, I would expect a little bit more from that. But as far as the price though, $40, they're a decent set of earbuds. Audibles and stuff like that, oh yeah, they're good for that. They're really good for that because the vocal presence is really clear. Really clear in vocal representation of that type of content. So I don't know, the choice is kind of yours. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section below. I won't say that these are bad, but for 40, but the price isn't high either. And if you're an Amazon person like myself, you may like to have these in your ecosystem. I didn't like the always on location stuff. It's just, I think some of those things just make these not, something that I would buy. Spend a little bit more money and get the Soundpeats, and there's other ones too that I could suggest, but I just recently did a review on those, so it's fresh in my mind, and the sound signature is still fresh in my mind. So I don't know. Again, this is the second time he's saying that. Let me know any thoughts you may have in the comment section below. As always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
'Cause I could do better. I could do better.